Ipob shops for new lawyer for Kanu. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Naija Trends HD. As a trial for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, enters a crucial stage. The umbrella body is seeking to recruit a top legal luminary to replace the current legal team that has been representing the breakaway agitator. Although Ipob has not discarded its current legal team made up of many lawyers, some who are rendering free services based on their belief in the cause that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is leading. Ipob, however, wants the legal team to be spearheaded by a lawyer with the pedigree generally known as highly respected within the Nigerian judiciary. A top source who is close to Ipob organization said on Sunday that the current legal team is perceived to be populated by activists who are best suited to work with a legal luminary, not below the rank of a son. The source, who pleaded anonymity because he was not authorized to speak for the organization, said Ipob is looking for a highly placed attorney of a son status who is well versed in the Nigerian legal system and commands respect in the cycle. The envisaged son, when engaged, is expected to reorganize Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's legal team, mobilize qualified and like-minded lawyers to work as coordinated legal team to secure victory over his terrorism and treason felony charges slammed on him by the Nigerian government. As you can see, these are very weighty and serious legal issues that require a versatile legal representation and not mere activists who may just be more interested in drawing publicity stunts at the expense of the client, and they don't want anything that can affect out cause, the source says. Okay, it was learned by Vanguard that last night that one of the top lawyers being seriously considered by the Ipob leadership to champion the cause of Nnamdi Kanu is a highly respected lawyer, Ipob, who has a PhD in law and has been recording outstanding victories for his clients in most of the cases handled by him. It was, however, learned that Dr. Ipob was not likely going to accept any offer considering the huge implications it might have on his career as a leading international legal practitioner. It was not also clear as at least night if Ipob had even approached Ipob with any offer to represent its leader as the case against Kanu comes up early next year. As to explain the rationale for the hiring of a foreign lawyer from the US to represent Kanu in Nigeria, the source expressed reservations over the attempt to bring in a foreign legal practitioner to appear in a Nigerian court, pointing out that it might not work out at the end of the day. The issue of a US lawyer appearing for our client or for their client in Nigeria may not work 100% in their favor, but it can at least draw international attention to their case, the top official said. It will be recalled that on October 18, 2021, the federal government had filed and amended 7 court charges against the Ipob leader bordering on terrorism and treason felony. Count 1 of the charges reads that Nnamdi Kanu, male adult of Aferauku, Ibeku, Umaya North local government area of Abia State, being the leader of the Ipob and diverse dates in 2014 and 2015 in London, United Kingdom, did broadcast on Radio Biafra monitored in Enugu and all areas within the jurisdiction of this honorable court. Preparations made by you and others now at large for states in the southeast, south, and other communities in Kogi and Benue State to secede from the Federal Republic of Nigeria with a view of to constituting same into the Republic of Biafra, and you thereby committed an offense punishable under section 41C of the Criminal Code Act CAP C77 laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. Council says, thank you, Kanu, on or about the 28th April 2015 in London, did broadcast on radio Biafra, referred to Major General Buhari, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federation or Federal Republic of Nigeria, as a pedophile, a terrorist, an idiot, and an embodiment of evil, knowing same to be false, and he thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 375 of the Criminal Code Act, Cap C77, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. Count 3, that Kanu had between March and April 2015 imported and kept in Ubulu, Siuzo, Ihala, local government area of Anambra State, a radio transmitter known as Tram 550L, concealed in a container of used household, which he declared as used household items, and he thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 47, bracket 2 of the Criminal Code Act, Cap C45, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. Then count 4 says that Kanu had been between 2018 and 2021 in Radio Biafra monitored in Enugu and FCT, Federal Capital Territory, professed to be a member of Ipob, a proscribed organization in Nigeria, and thereby committed an offense punishable under Section 16, Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. So guys, this is somewhat a welcoming development for Ipob, if it's actually true they are getting a lawyer, and it's Ikpeazu. Very interesting, because Ikpeazu is a well-respected lawyer outside of Nigeria and had made so much name for himself. So there seems to be glimpse of hope for Ipob, and things seems to be coming to light, if is going to accept the offer. Well, what's your thought on this, guys? Leave it in the comment section. We would love to know your own view on this matter. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section. We would love to know your thoughts. We'd love to know your own view of this. Also, so many things have been going on. They want to change legal practitioner. Not that they are removing the recent or their current legal team, but because they believe that, okay, for them to be able to stand very well and present a case and stand ground in this current case they're having, they need someone that has a very good high position in Nigeria to be able to stand a chance. So I think that's what they are doing. But subscribe, leave a comment, we'll be bringing more updates.